8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lancaster, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Kershaw, Elgin, Heath Springs, USC Lancaster, Irwin, Buford, Belltown Fire Station, Arrowwood Estates, Camp Creek Fire Station, Antioch, Kirk Air Base, Faith Christian School, Pleasant Hill, Lancaster Mill, Bear Creek Park, and McDonald Green Elementary School. For your protection, seek shelter inside a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Lancaster, South Carolina.
Sort of a scale structure around the center of the galaxy.
Thank you! They relay for North Carolina too! It's confirmed! They relay for North Carolina!
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Union County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles Locations impacted include South Charlotte, Southwest Charlotte, Matthews, Smith Hill, Indian Trail, Weddington, Stallings, Pineville, west of Chapelton Lake Park. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down. Locations impacted include South Charlotte, Southwest Charlotte, Matthews, Smith Hill, Indian Trail,
Shut up! Shut the fuck up, Charlotte!
Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Mecklenburg, and Union. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Mecklenburg, and Union.
That is that we...
Thank you for that!
to play, for example. So that
The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern York County in upstate South Carolina, southeastern Cherokee County in upstate South Carolina, northeastern Union County in upstate South Carolina, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles west of trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Shallow, Hickory Grove, Smyrna, Dallas, Bullock Creek, and Adamsburg. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Union, and York. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Union, and York.
Seriously, incredibly interesting.
Hear everything we're saying. That's creepy, don't you think? Yeah, just a little bit, my ass.
Democratic presidential debate on the next All Things Considered from NPR News.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Chester County in upstate South Carolina, southeastern York County in upstate South Carolina. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations in Texas include Chester, Fort Lawn, Orangeburg, Lowry, Chester State Park, Cornwell, Asheville, and Blackstock. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the next shelter inside an interior room. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville, Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Chester and York.
And Amir Alexander. Welcome to Science Friday.
Thank you so much for having me on.
Oh.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Madison County in western North Carolina, north central Buncombe County in western North Carolina until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles east of Marshall or near Mars Hill and is nearly stationary. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Marshall, Weaverville, Mars Hill, Flood Creek, and Barnersville. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville, Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Buncombe, and Madison. The National Weather Service.
Whoa, wait a minute.
Thunderstorm warning. Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Fairfield County in central South Carolina, northeastern Newberry County in central South Carolina, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a likely severe thunderstorm is located just north of Blair. Other strong to severe thunderstorms were near the Union and Newberry County line. Movement was southwest at 10 miles per hour.
This includes Whitmire, Blair, Maven, Fire Station, Front 176 in South Carolina, 34 Crossroads, Feasterville Fire Station, Henderson Island, and NL Ranger District Office. This includes Interstate 26 between mile marker 62 and 69. For your protection, seek shelter.
Front 176 in South Carolina, 34 Crossroads, Feasterville Fire Station, Henderson Island, and NL Ranger District Office. This includes Interstate 20
Fairfield and Newberry.
For your protection, seek shelter inside a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina: Fairfield and Newberry.
But that we're missing right now.
Oh shit, the unit went off!
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Orangeburg, issued a flash flood warning for South Central Mecklenburg County and Piedmont, North Carolina, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Mecklenburg County and the Piedmont of North Carolina until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen since 3 p.m., and at least 2 streams were near or over flood stage in East Charlotte. Some locations that will experience flooding include Uptown Charlotte, East Charlotte, Freedom Park, The Plaza, South Park Mall, Hidden Valley, Central Charlotte, Mint Hill, South Charlotte, and the Arboretum. Additional rainfall amounts of up to an inch will be possible in the warned area.
Current vehicles do not attempt to cross water-covered roadways, bridges, or low-level crossings. Only a few inches of
Rapidly flowing water can carry away your vehicle. It is not worth the risk. Please turn around. Don't drown. When it is safe to do so, please report flood waters or landslides flowing over roads or threatening property to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 by posting on our Facebook page or via Twitter using #NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred, including roadways, nearby cross streets, stream names, and other landmarks.
Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred, including roadways, nearby cross streets, stream names, and other landmarks.
Border city here have been waiting for more than a month to resolve.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for South Central Mecklenburg County in the Piedmont of North Carolina until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen since 3 p.m., and at least 2 streams were near or over flood stage in East Charlotte. Some locations that will experience flooding include Uptown Charlotte, East Charlotte, Freedom Park, The Plaza, South Park Mall, Hidden Valley, Central Charlotte, Mint Hill, South Charlotte, and the Arboretum. Additional rainfall amounts of up to an inch will be possible in the warned area.
The impact of this heavy rainfall will be continued flooding of Edwards Creek in East Charlotte. McMullen Creek will also flood portions of Addison Drive. Flash flooding could also develop on McAlpine Creek and other small streams in the uptown area. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Do not attempt to cross water-covered roadways, bridges, or low-level crossings. Only a few inches of rapidly flowing water can carry away your vehicle. It is not worth the risk. Please turn around, don't drown. When it is safe to do so, please report floodwaters or landslides flowing over roads or threatening property to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101, by posting on our Facebook page, or via Twitter using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred, including roadways, nearby cross streets, stream names, and other landmarks.
Shit, this includes Columbia. Lexington County. Whoa! Whoa!
Southwestern Fairfield County in central South Carolina, southeastern Newberry County in central South Carolina, north central Lexington County in central South Carolina, northwestern Richland County in central South Carolina. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Fairfield County in central South Carolina, southeastern Newberry County in central South Carolina, north central Lexington County in central South Carolina, northwestern Richland County in central South Carolina, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Campinsville or near EC Summer Nuclear Station, moving southwest at 20 miles per hour and toward the peak area. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following Mecklenburg County, Fairfield and Newberry.
Stocks after.
Oh shit, Katie's getting one now. And now I'm hearing thunder. Balls.
Be approved by the U.S.
I'm not getting WMHK at the moment. That sucks. Ah.
National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Rutherford County in western North Carolina, Polk County in western North Carolina, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Rutherford, moving west at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Columbus, Tryon, Mill Spring, Green Creek, and Lake Asher. Large hail can cause major property damage, especially to vehicles. Strong winds may blow down a few trees and power lines. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible.
seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Polk and Rutherford. The National Weather Service.
I take that back!
The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Calhoun County in central South Carolina, central Lexington County in central South Carolina, Richland County in central South Carolina until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, thunderstorms with wind of 40 to 60 miles per hour were moving into the Columbia area from the north. Storm movement was out near 15 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Columbia, Lexington, West Columbia, Casey, Bilmo, Forest Acres, Springdale, St. Andrews, Dentsville, Oak Grove, McIntyre Air Base, Highway 6 at Lake Murray Dam, Red Bank, South Congaree, Pine Ridge, Gaston, Arcadia Lakes, Columbia International University, Harbison State Forest, and Sesquicentennial State Park. This includes
What was that from GSP?
Interstate 126 between mile marker 0 and 3. Interstate 20 in South Carolina, mile marker 0 and 27.
Here to tell us more is NPR's Maria Godoy.
Can Can you not? Oh no, oh no.
Mecklenburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern McDowell County in western North Carolina, northwestern Rutherford County in western North Carolina, southeastern Buncombe County in western North Carolina until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Buncombe, McDowell, Rutherford.
More information.
Kicking off for the Deacon.
Again, heels going from left to right.
National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern McDowell County in western North Carolina, northwestern Rutherford County in western North Carolina, southeastern Buncombe County in western North Carolina until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 16 miles east of downtown Asheville to 6 miles south of Marion, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Old Fort, Shingle Hollow, Sugar Hill, Thermal City, Glenwood, Farrow, Chimney Rock Village, and Lake Lure. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville, Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Buncombe, McDowell, and Rutherford.
Not much doing there. 3 plays, just 1 total yard for the Tar Heels. Yeah, and kind of
I'm not sure if the second play was a design quarterback run or he just didn't like the picture that he saw, but they...
Yeah, this is looking bad. I might, if I'm allowed to. Oy.
Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville, Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Buncombe, McDowell, and Rutherford. The current time is 6:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is no weather radio.
This has to be one of the darkest clouds I've ever seen. Huh. There's like a sheen of light on the eastern side of that mountain. Where that light ends, that's where the storm starts. Damn.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern McDowell County in western North Carolina, northwestern Rutherford County in western North Carolina, southeastern Buncombe County in western North Carolina until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 16 miles east of downtown Asheville to 6 miles south of Marion, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Old Fort, Shingle Hollow, Sugar Hill, Thermal City, Glenwood, Farrow, Chimney Rock Village, and Lake Lure. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail.
Damn. I'm gonna go on the other side to see it better, if I can.
Crap. Okay, it's now 20 minutes later. It's 6:41, and the SVR expired just now. But here's the thing. It's only 6:40. And it's so dark outside. Look, it's so dark that I have to have the light on. The camera doesn't do it justice, but I can see it. And listen, you can't see the lightning either, but you can hear it. It's going crazy on the AM radio. That is lightning. That's lightning. Lightning right there. If it was night, I'd be able to see it, but it's so dark that the cicadas out here think it's evening. Well, it is evening, but they think it's nighttime, and it's only 6:30. Well, 6:40. You know what I mean? I'm sick. Okay. Yeah, you know what? 30 minutes later, after I left the damn place, I'm sorry. It's just it's here. It's here. I don't think this is over. I don't think this is over, is it? This Hang on a sec. Let me turn off the flash. That's better. It's right here. There's no question about it. Let me get into a place where I can't get struck. Hopefully. And then we just go right under here. That sunset is pretty nice. Here, let me zoom in. See that? That is a pretty nice looking sunset with the storm clouds rolling over it. That's the least of my worries. Yeah, I saw a lightning strike to my left here earlier. Oh, okay, it's very dark. Yeah. Yeah, there's no question. Oh. I don't think I want to be here. This is worse than the last time I came up here and I caught that strike right there. This is worse. This is way worse. I'm in the line of fire. I'm going under the trees. Yeah, it's definitely not over. This will be fine. Hopefully this will be fine. Move a little bit closer. I should be fine. Yeah, I don't like this. Starting to think I should go home.
79 at Greensboro, 75 at Raleigh-Durham, Time observation at the Columbia Metro Airport.
I don't want WXJ20.
Reducing the visibility to 1/4 of a mile. The temperature was 76 degrees. The wind was northeast at... Here now stands. It was 80... There, 85 degrees. Atlanta. Impact southeastern McDowell, northeastern Rutherford, and south central Burke County. Cloudy. Temperature of 81. The radar was...
Doppler radar was tracking hell moving over my county. Movement was northeast at 10 miles an hour. Wow, man, holy shit. Whoa. I'm scared to make any kind of move. It's 7:01. Ooh. Oh! You guys should be able to hear it. Some more dark stuff over here. It's darker because it's, than last time. Because it wasn't like 2:30 in the afternoon when the lightning storm was occurring. This is like 7 in the evening. Ooh, I see the rain band. Ooh, that looks creepy. Look at this. Look at that. That's creepy. That is so scary to look at. Shit, the sunset's disappearing. It's disappearing. It's disappearing. Oh shit. Oh my god. That right there looks so creepy. This is a storm moving in from the west. And typical GSP hasn't done jack shit. Oh, that's messed up. That's messed up. That is messed up. I don't like the looks of this. I don't like it. Get me the hell out of here and back. Holy shoot. Oh, look at that. That's just, oh. That's, oh. Man. It's just, ugh.
Saturday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows in the mid-60s. East winds around tonight, becoming light and variable. 50%. Sunday, partly sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Humid with highs in the mid-80s. East winds around 5 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%.
Oh, this is just horrible. Awful. It's awful. This is terrible. This storm is just so dark. Turn on the light. This is horrible, man.
Partly sunny. A chance of showers in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 80s. Special weather statement. Strong thunderstorms will impact portions of southeastern Orangeburg, southeastern Calhoun, and Clarendon counties through eastern Deal. Now, a few of these storms could become severe at p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated strong thunderstorms extending from near St. Matthews eastward to the Manning area. Movement was southward near 15 miles per hour. Strong wind was occurring near and ahead of these storms.
Boy, it's WXG20. Columbia.
The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Orangeburg County in central South Carolina until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located just north of Brookdale and Orangeburg, moving southwest at 10 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Orangeburg, Brookdale, Orangeburg County Airport, Platinum College, Edisto Gardens, South Carolina State University, Cordova, Wilkinson Heights, Prince of Orange Mall, and Edisto. This includes Interstate 26 between mile markers 141 and 153. The forecast for Columbia.